Who has the best makeup on this makeup transformation? Okay. What about B on this trend? Wow, that was beautiful, guys. See? Show us what you got, see? Oh, good. And lastly, we have the make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Wow, perfect. Who has the best makeup on this channel?